Drone technology fans, Bill here. UAV Forecast, my favorite drone app, coming right up. You know, before I take off, there's a number of things that I look at. Obviously, number one is the weather. Number two, I check to see to make sure there are no aircraft in the vicinity. I also check to see if there are birds in the vicinity as well, and also check to see what kind of skies are up there. Also, I want to try to find out how windy is it that day. And a lot of times you can find the wind speed on the ground, but not so much up in the air. Well, an app came along that not only answered all those questions, but did even better. It's called UAV Forecast. It comes in both Android, and see the screenshots up here, and then iOS. We're going to go ahead and jump into the video, and I'm going to go through each of these slides to show you the different screens on UAV Forecast and the information that's available. So we're going to jump right into it. Okay, the first screen is called Conditions, and up at the top you see information such as good to fly, weather, sun, temperature, wind, gusts, wind direction, precipitation probability, cloud cover, visibility, visible sats, KP, sats locked, and at the bottom, one airport, one heliport, one seaplane base nearby. The next is called Forecast, and you'll see time, gusts, temperature, precipitation, cloud cover, visibility, visible sats, KP, estimated satellites locked, and good to fly. Okay, the next screen is called Wind Profile, and up at the top you'll see altitude AGL, wind speed, gust speed, and temperature. The next screen is called Map. And on the map, you have information. It can be road, satellite, hybrid, terrain. And up at the right-hand corner, you have a legend of TFR NOTAM, DJI No Fly Zone, large airport, medium airport, small airport, seaplane base, heliport, and range guide. And that's up at the upper right-hand corner. The next option is settings. And under settings, we have no fly zone settings, threshold settings, unit settings, language, theme, forecast, show daylight hours only, use 24-hour clock, reset all settings to defaults, register, log in, refresh purchases, and free edition. And the next screen is the help screen. How'd you like that? My three big takeaways from UAV Forecast are, number one, it's free. You can't beat that. There is a paid version out there. The paid version, the biggest difference, you get 7 days of weather forecast versus the 1 day of weather forecast with the free version. Number two, it's on both iOS and Android, which is good. Number three, it's easy to use. It's very intuitive. It's not very difficult to understand. And number four, the information that's available on there, as I said, it is absolutely fantastic. You really know what you're going to get into when you take off with your drone. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry, and of course anything DJI or Autel related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter page as well, where I do post those same updates. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!